Yeah, no,
I'm gonna boil pork belly, well, mostly pork fat for the Lao sausage. The grinding beef chuck for the TWA KO, right? So you kind of want a little thick consistency. Chunky. Can you show me?
Do the video over.
Alright, let's see it.
Thick chunk.
Alright. And you want fat, right?
A lot of it.
Like what percentage of fat?
Should be 80-20.
80-20?
Yeah.
Of chuck roast? Alright. So they're grinding pork fat. What kind of pork fat is this?
Pork fat.
Just pork fat, okay.
But you have to tell her what that's for.
That one's gonna be for the Lao sausage with pork.
Is it for color or for flavor?
For flavor.
Okay. So it's gonna blend your herbs, your galangal and burung and the
Galunga and the lime leaf.
with the guajillo chilies. So you're gonna mix your ground beef, then pig fat, and then pork. Is it pork belly? Cooked pork belly? Pork skin.
No, my other words.
Okay.
The only person who wow was you. For me, pie out. Wow.
Atian, can you give her some money?
This rest to the
That's on 3 bulbs.
3 bulbs. Okay.
Take the beef and then
So she's adding 3 bulbs of garlic and 5 shallots to the pork sausage.
Oh no, she already measured it, remember? You already did. I think I put all of it in here. Oh, we just
Did you want to measure?
yeah, put it.
Yum. Mixing all your dry and wet ingredients.
And then we can.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah, I'm gonna try my best to.
you get oyster sauce and fish sauce.
Okay.
One more. That's good.
I saw you watching the video.